saw my blackout boots video, I took the idea from that just because the boots turned out really clean. So basically what I'm going to show you today is how to clean white football boots, or just in general football boots, and get them back to nearly new so they look like brand new, as close as brand new as possible. So these two are optional. I got these for Christmas. Haven't actually used them yet. These actually get rid of the smell on your football boots or any kind of shoes. I will be doing how to clean triple whites as well. So I'll be using these with that as well. These are optional as well. They're just Crepe Protect wipes. I'll give them a little wipe after, just for that extra touch. But the main thing you're gonna need today is this. Oh, can't see in the camera. You're gonna need this Cif cream, what you use in bathrooms and stuff like that. So the things you're gonna need is, these are optional. You need some hot water, bit of fairy liquid, zoom the camera out a bit. Then you need just some sort of brush. This is the best brush to use. I advise a tyre brush. It's actually for wheels, but it works perfectly on boots. A cloth, and then anything else you really want to add. So what I'm gonna do, get the laces off, let it soak in the water just for like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll carry on from there. To be honest, I don't really think it needs that long. It's more important for the Cif to kick in rather than the water. We're just getting here. So you can use as much as you want of this, it really doesn't matter. And what I do, pour it all over the boot. First I just do a little bit, just to go over the top. Oh, that's a little bit too much. What I'll do is just gently rub it in. Rub the Cif in, because these boots are very, very muddy. I'm not gonna fling the mud everywhere, but just let it soak in a bit. And just a little warning, obviously these are not gonna go back to brand new white, because don't forget, these are white boots. Don't forget that. So don't expect them to go back when you buy them in the shop, but it's to get them back to pretty much as clean as possible after, you know, playing football in the mud and stuff like that. Still, because it's gonna stain, it's mud. It's English mud, it's gonna stain. But so we'll leave that for about 5 to 10 minutes. So what we'll do now, we'll stick it in the water. I'll speed this up and then just get them all clean, and then we'll do one more wash after that. Right, so this is the first boot done. As you can see, it's very, very, very clean now. The Cif works amazing. Like, I recommend this product so much. Like, forget about bathrooms. This is for football boots and any kind of white shoes. It's absolutely amazing. Like, I recommend it. This is not sponsored. Obviously, I'm not gonna be sponsored by Cif. But if you'd like to sponsor me, Cif, obviously I'd use your product all the time, because I do anyway. But look how clean it is underneath. It's very, very clean. Even the material, I got the material as clean as possible, because obviously, you know, mud is never gonna come out pure white, but it's come out great. So we're just gonna crack on with the other boot, and I'll come back with the Crepe Protect, and we'll give them one last once over, and that should be done. Right, so I've now done both boots. It's got a little bit messy in here now, but the right one, as you can see, it turned out great as well. But the problem with your dominant foot when you're playing football is that boot will get more dirty than the other one. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit, the right foot, because obviously I'm right-footed, it's a little bit darker on the material, and just here on the laces, it's kind of sunk into the material. It's pretty impossible to get out. As you can see there, it's gone underneath, it's gone in a bit of an awkward place. But the Cif's done its job. As you can see, they are very, very clean now. I mean, I reckon I'll give this an 8 out of 10 for clean, apart from just these little bits here and there. But apart from that, they look pretty new. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it a once over. Crepe Protect wipe. It's not gonna focus, is it? Just not. There we go. Crepe Protect wipe. These are really, really good wipes. Now, they're good to have one in your pocket, stuff like that. It looks a little bit like a condom, but it's definitely not. There's little bobbles, so it gets rid of any excess dirt or anything. And I will be doing another video, how to clean your triple white trainers, and that will be out pretty soon. I'm doing it today, releasing it a few days later. It will involve these as well. But as you see, they've got little bobbles on them. Oh, that's not even the camera. They do have little bobbles on them, as you can see. I do apologise for the lighting, because I'm in a conservatory. It's pretty cold and dark in here now. It looks like it's going to rain. Sorry about that. But yeah, so we'll just give these a once over with the Crepe Protect wipes. And it gives it a form of protection as well, I think. I would have imagined so, because of Crepe Protect. The last thing we're going to use is that's probably to tell you how to do it. I might have to look at that. These are really good. They are odour destroyers, I like to call them. They're like giant pills, and I just got to quickly read how to do this because. Oh right, okay. So basically, all you want to do to get rid of the odour is twist open like that. Oh, does it? All right, opens about that far. It's not focusing. No, not gonna focus. Well, it opens about that far, and then it gets rid of the odour inside the shoe, which is actually really cool. So we'll pop those in, and yeah, we'll just put those in there, and then see how it goes. I'm sure it gets rid of the odour, I would imagine so. But yeah, apart from that, I hope you did enjoy this little bit different video. Not facing it this time, just talking. They turned out really well. I advise the 2 products that I use, but definitely the Sif. That's the whole point in the video, is definitely use Sif because it just turns white, literally back to white, as you can see. It looks great. But if you did enjoy this and it was helpful, leave a like on the video. I'm not going to go for a like goal. Just like the video if it did help you. Subscribe if you're new as well. And don't forget, when you subscribe, hit the notifications button so you can see when I upload. I'm having problems out at the moment. Apart from that, I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the montage of the boots.
You know why I be the best for you. You know I want the best for you. You know why I be the best for you. You know why. 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 I like rocking, Dwayne Johnson, and rolling. You can find it, and somehow I put up with your